From $2,000 investment into this account, we are presently at $125,800 of equity within 17 months of trading into this account with our very powerful forex scalping robot. And if someone has started with us 17 months ago with an equity of only $100, basically he should be at about $6,290 of equity within 17 months of trading. And so far this morning we have already made $306 profit, and the name of our robot is Pro Master EA. As you can see, every trade is open with a stop loss and has a take profit. The stop loss is to secure your account equity. Now let me scroll down and let's evaluate the various trades that this very powerful forex scalping robot has already taken so far this morning. This is the Pro Master EA. This is simply one of the best scalping robot you may find out there on the market. For the past 17 months, we have been making consistent profit with this robot, and each time we give you guys updates about this robot, we always make sure we show you the running trades. And so far, presently there are no running trades because the robot is still scanning for the market. When all conditions are met, that's when the robot is going to open another trade. With this very powerful scalping robot, trades are not just open randomly. Every entry is well calculated, and you can start using this robot with an equity of only $100, and you can take it to higher values. That's the power of compounding. As we said in our other videos, we aim at taking this account to $1 million. So make sure you like this video and subscribe as we grow this account together. We are from $2,000, we've already made $23,800 of profit within 17 months, and over time we are going to be making more and more profit. Take note that we are trading with a fixed lot size. As the equity of this account grows, we keep increasing the lot size. In the download file we are going to send to you, we are going to give you all instructions on how to set up the robot and the lot sizes you're supposed to use according to your account equity. Now, this robot works on every major pairs, but we prefer to use it only on two pairs, on GU and EU, because during our back testing and forward testing, these two pairs have been proven to be very profitable. So you just run the robot on these two pairs, and the only thing you play with is the lot size, and we are going to give you guys the various lot sizes you're supposed to use depending on your account equity. And you can start using this robot with an equity of only $100. Please, you should tolerate my English. I'm a French speaker, so I'm trying to improve over time. Still no trade open by the robot. Now let's check on the various trades that this very powerful forex scalping robot have opened so far this morning. Let's scroll down. Amazing result. Almost everything is in blue. This is the first loss we've incurred so far. This is the second loss. And also take note, look at the values of the losses we've incurred so far. $2, $1, 0.1 point. This is let's count the losses. This is the first, this is the second, the third, this is the fourth, this is the fifth. Let's continue to scroll down. This is a sixth, this is the seventh, and I think this is the maximum value in terms of losses we've incurred so far this morning. So you should try to understand the psychology behind the robot. This is number 8 losses we've incurred so far this morning, and I think it is the last. No, this is number 9 we've incurred, and the maximum value of loss we've incurred is only $5. And when it comes to profit, this is the maximum value we've had in terms of profit, $10. And our take profit is only 5 pips, and we notice that going for only 5 pips, we hit our target most of the time. And because our strategies are very powerful and all of our strategies are trend following strategies, that is why we hit our target most of the time. And most often our trade will last into the market just for 1 to 10 minutes at most. And that is how within the day our very powerful forex scalping robot is going to open several trades. Our take profit is only 5 pips. Because our stop loss and take profit are very tight, that is why our trade do not last into the market for long. And when using this robot, we recommend that you use a broker that has very tight spread. Look, for example, this trade we hit our take profit and we come out with $8.16, and take for example this other trade, we hit our target, but there's a difference of about $1. Imagine that the robot has opened so far this morning about 181 trade, and this is a difference of about $181 difference in an account when your spread is white. Now this difference is because this trade were open at night, and at times the spread is somehow white. So make sure you get a good broker. In this video description, there are some two brokers we do recommend. If you already have a good broker, a broker that has a very tight spread, no issue, you can continue to use your broker. And now some of you may not have ever used a forex robot before. That's not an issue. When purchase the robot, make sure you message us. We are going to be there to assist you to set up the robot and be sure that you are also making profit. When you send us a message, please just be patient. One thing for sure, we are going to reach out to you. And so far, we have used this robot to pass the challenge on 4 different prop firms: My Forex Fund, FTMO, and many other prop firms. So when you have this robot, it can be a source of good passive income for you. Meaning, if you get, like, say, a 10,000 funded account with My Forex Fund or whatever prop firm, at the month end, after profit split, you will be making about $700 to $1,000 profit passively without doing anything, because the robot does all the work for you. You don't need to be drawing support and resistance. You don't need to be drawing trend lines. You don't need to be using any trading indicators. You don't need to be searching for best forex trading indicators. No, you don't need to be using RSI or moving average, be it simple or exponential moving average. No, you don't need all of that. The robot has everything covered for you. The robot analyzes the market, and when conditions are met on any given pair, the robot is going to open trades, and you just need to be pulling out money out of the financial market. Forex is very easy when you understand the concepts, and one of the things that is very difficult in forex is risk management and security. Security is even the most important, but this robot is very secured because our stop loss is very tight, and every trade is open with a stop loss, which is something very good. The stop loss secures your account equity. Even if there is a news event, you are going to lose only a very small portion of your equity, and most often when you have some losses, the robot is going to recover those losses either the same day or the following trading day. As I said, we coded this robot with 4 different strategies, and all of the strategies are trend following strategies. And this robot also has 3 exit strategies. That is why you see the losses are not the same. It varies because the trades are closed based on 3 different parameters. In one of the exit strategies, we use, in fact, we are not going to disclose our strategies in this video. And one thing we can advise you guys to take note on into your trading is correlation. Correlation is very, very powerful. For example, when 2 pairs have a very powerful negative correlation, it is impossible to place a buy trade, for example, on both pairs and be profitable on both, because one will simply because most often, let's say, for example, 2 pairs have a very powerful negative correlation. You place a buy trade on one and place a sell trade on the other, you cannot be profited on both, because both of them, since they have a very powerful negative correlation, they will mostly go the same direction. And it's the same for pairs that have a very powerful positive correlation. Please permit my English. With time, I'm going to improve. I'm a French speaker. So the good news we have is that you can also get a copy of this robot and start making money too. Instead of $970, you can get a copy now at $149. When we officially launched this robot, it is going to be difficult for many of you to get a copy because it is going to be very expensive. We are going to be selling this robot at $970. So in this video description, within a very limited time, you have the opportunity to get a copy at only $149 and start making money out of the financial market. We have been trading for 6 years, but our first 4 years we incurred a lot of losses, but due to hard work, persistence, we are able to get this good result. So make sure you like this video, subscribe, as we take this account to $1 million together. Bye for now. See you in our other videos. Ciao.